Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is July 3rd, the night before July 4th, which is Independence Day. I'm off today, it's Saturday. I was off this weekend. I look crazy right now. I'm wearing my comfy shirt. That's because I've been laying on the floor all day in a comfy blanket watching Sweet Tooth on Netflix. I also tried plucking a wig earlier, so now I have wig hairs everywhere. Oh, that's not wig hairs, that's my hair because I chronically twist my hair. Do you guys want to see the result of trichotillomania? I thought this was wig hair. This is my hair. Look. This is the results of me pulling out my own hair. It's a sad, sad world we live in. Alright guys, today I just wanted to show you a quick little glam moment. No, not a glam moment. I just want to play with my makeup. I got some new makeup. I didn't realize how many products I use when I get ready in the morning, but when you put them all in one container, it kind of makes a lot, even though I use natural makeup now. This is my Clinique Moisture Surge. I bought this. It's 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Hydration, man. Gotta have a good moisturizer. I got this tattoo liner from KVD Vegan Beauty for free as a free gift with my new shade of Good Apple Skin Perfecting Balm. First I bought the shade Tan 57. And I have used it, and it does match with my skin when I have on spray tan, but it does not match my skin without spray tan. See, it looks like it's a good match, but it's just a little too warm. That is why I bought the shade Medium 48. Alright, this is the new shade. Medium 48. This is the difference. Why does this one look darker? When you look at the back, you can tell it's not dark. This is the new one. This is the old one. See, it's a lot lighter. Oh, I was scared for a second. So let's swatch it real quick. Ooh, I hate messing up a perfect compact. I'm gonna use my pinky because it's less dry. Ooh, yeah, I think that shade's gonna be a lot better. Let me see. Oh, did I just lay that on top of the other one? Wow. Oh yeah, can't even see it. That's the one. I gotta put a blanket down because I have an all white carpet right here and this is not the taste. I also got a new concealer brush. This is the concealer brush that I was using. I bought a KVD Beauty concealer brush. KVD Beauty was on sale for like 50% off. This is the concealer brush too, actually. And it is double-ended. This is double-ended. We have a brush on one end and a foam applicator on the other end. That'll be a cute moment. So let's start off today with some Earth Harbor Aurora. It's a superfood luminance oil with sea greens, cannabis, sativa, and hemp. Oh. Look, 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 look. I'm crying tears of sativa. Oh. You know why? Because I'm detoxing and it's fucking stressful. I need to do something with my hair. Ugh, something over my hair. What? I don't have a hairnet, a hair tie, or nothing. So we're gonna use these sunglasses. Now that my skin is oiled up and surged. Actually, it's not surged yet. I had on retinol earlier, so I hope this doesn't mess with that. By the way, I don't even have a mirror. I'm looking at my monitor. Maybe I should get a mirror. Oh, God. Because I cannot use my monitor as a mirror. I'm not even looking at you. I'm not even looking at you. If you see me using a Jeffree Star mirror, don't judge me, okay? Okay, my skin is hydrated. I'm going to put some lip oil on, too, just to get the lips going. This is Honeydew Lip Oil. It's got a coconut fragrance to it. Love that. I also want to use a glassy primer. Just because it really adds the... Oh, that was too much. Just because it really adds the moisture and the glow. Between my retinol products and my skincare routine and the oils, I have so much on my face right now and I haven't even put on makeup yet. Wow, I have a hydrating primer, so let's do that too, I guess. This is from BoxyCharm. Oh, it's a new month. I'm about to get a new BoxyCharm. I love that. Here, this camera needs to go up some more. There we go. Okay, now that you're more in view of me, this is the moisturizing primer I'm about to use. we're gonna need it because we got a lot of stuff on our face and it's gonna fall off. Let me see how that looks. Beautiful. I'm wet. Oh. Ooh. I got a few things from e.l.f. I got the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I want to get the Putty Bronzer, but I haven't bought it yet. I got 2 shades. I have the... Well, it's just 2 shades. It's pink and pink. When I said I got a couple things from e.l.f., that's literally all I got from e.l.f. Just a couple things. Two things of the same item. Today for the application process, we're going to use an NYX Professional Makeup Brush. We're going to pop that open, and we're going to boop, boop, boop. So you can barely see it on there. I don't want a lot. I don't want a lot. I don't want a lot. Let's start with this side because you can see it better. Oh my god. Hello, is it there? Are you there? Hello? Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Is this shade like perfect? Does that shade match me so well that you can't see it? Okay, I want to do a little bit more right here on the beard area because, sis, 5 o'clock shadows come back quick. It literally looks like my skin color. Like it don't look any different than my skin. Okay, look at my chest. Oh, I want to try something. Let's take this new medium shade and put it right here and see what happens. Yeah, see? Hello, focus. I have my settings weird right now. Bruh. This shade is amazing. I think I really hit the nail on the head. I want to do this side because last night I was doing my face and Cameron was like, oh look, you got blackheads. So I was like, oh great, now I gotta pop them. So now my face is popped. I told her I'm gonna get a blackhead scraper and let her really get on my face one day. Really fuck it up, but I gotta have a couple days off to heal. I don't mind fucking my face up if it means it's gonna look better when it's done. So thanks, Camo. Look at that. Look! Holy balls. I didn't believe it was on my skin at first until it covered up the redness. Holy balls. What the hell? I did a video on this foundation, by the way, before, but I never posted it or edited it because it was pretty terrible. It wasn't worth my time. It just wasn't worth my time. It just was not worth my time. So let's take a little bit more. I really love this brush, by the way. I need to wash it, though. I've used it a lot. And I'm going to get that little spot right there a little bit. Watch. Boom. Gone. I'm going to blend it a little bit more, but let's focus on the areas that need to be focused on for a second. I don't really like putting this product right here on my face because this is where product likes to build up on my face right here. And it often will look a little dry and cakey. So I gotta be careful. That's my problem spot. I gotta be more gentle. I'll be like, if you hold your brush at the end of the brush, you won't be so rough. So let's listen to that advice and be gentle. Completely natural, like it's my own skin, but it's more flawless. I actually have a lot on so that you can see in the camera. Normally I probably wouldn't wear so much, but it actually, see, you can tell right there how thick it is because my skin looks weird. I don't like it being that thick. Let me try to blend it out some. I put way too much on just for the video. When people were first putting out videos about this foundation bomb, they were doing the whole, and like, it was a lot. And people were having mixed reviews. They were saying with oily skin it didn't last that long, and that it was a little weird. But I think that's just because you were using too much. And if you use it very lightly, naturally, probably not on skin that's oiled slick down like I just did, but it'll probably be a little bit better. Boy, I can't wait to get Botox in my motherfucking forehead, bitch. Cause honey, honey, what is this, honey? Well, that's something else I gotta manifest. Is this whole video gonna be me putting on this foundation? Probably. Are you gonna watch it still? Probably. Look at that. That red spot, gone. Gone. If you hear the screams, I'm sorry, it's my dog. They do that when someone's here. But if you look at the camera, nobody is in my driveway. We have a... We have a hurricane coming, so people don't know if it's going to be raining or not. So they're just letting all the fireworks go now. I need some fake awake. Did y'all know this is $20 eyeliner? That's ridiculous. Oh God. Where's my mirror? Why do I keep doing this? I keep using the monitor instead of my mirror. That was a knock. There was a knock. Well, anyways, there was somebody here. It was Josh, my boyfriend. And this just completely distracted me. But he said it was pretty though, so I guess there's that. It doesn't matter what happens. Anytime I try to film a video, something comes up, something distracts me, something makes me stop, and then I don't want to finish the video. But here we are, finishing the video. This is the Amazing Concealer, the Amazing Concealer Hydrate, but it is shade Dark Beige. It's like an oil concealer. I seen someone use this. I think it was Manny MUA I seen using it, and I was like, ooh, I need that. But now that I have it, I'm like, why did I get that? Because it's so oily. But I have dry skin anyway, so it works. Oh yay, I get to use my new KKW brush. I'm gonna use the brush end. I don't know if I like how rounded. I don't know. I don't know if I like this brush or not. I don't know if I like this brush. This is my NARS Tiramisu. It's the travel size. It's got a pink undertone. We're gonna put it on top of that, just in my deep creases. This is my Tarte Shape Tape Glow On. I love this thing. It's also got a little sponge applicator. This one comes out, but I don't ever use that. I used it once or twice. See, it's a little dirty, but ooh, look, I can store weed in there or something. Oh wait, I quit smoking weed as of like 3 days ago. I had to smoke weed to help me go to sleep last night, but I barely smoked any. It's because I was basically like having hot flashes and tremors. Not tremors, but I was quite shooken up. And it was hard for me to go to sleep, so I barely hit it. But it's probably healthy that I try to do it like that, because it's going to be very uncomfortable if I don't, and it's going to be a lot harder. Now this highlighter I will use my finger because it's just easier. Wow, I put a lot on. I never understood why people put highlighter right here. I guess it makes sense, whatever. I grabbed this bunch the other day on a whim, but I'm glad I did. These spots right here, they got to go, sis. There, and there. Boom, gone. We love to see a summer glow. I want to use my new e.l.f. little putty blushes. I'm gonna go with the bright pink one. Hot pink. It's really, really dense. You can't like push into it, but it does kind of turn slick, like a little bit oily. Seems to be the theme this summer. I'm not gonna go so high with it. I want to do it like right here. Yeah, that's a pretty soft pink. Subtle. We've used that many products already. Isn't that crazy? I really wanted to try my Wet n Wild tinted hydrator. It's like $5. It's got hyaluronic acid, but I'll do that another day. There's another more mauve shade of the blush, but I'm not gonna. Okay, we'll do it. We'll go a little bit lower, like right here, since it's a darker shade. Use my KKW brush. Trying to figure out what I can use this brush for, because I don't really like it for concealer. It's a little too big, I think. That's a pretty color. I look so natural, like I'm not even wearing makeup. Am I wearing makeup? I don't know. Nobody ever knows. Now for some bronzer. Like I said, I wanted to get the e.l.f. Putty bronzer, but I didn't think about it, and now I kind of regret not getting it. Before I put the powder bronzer on, I'm gonna grab my concealer thing, and I'm gonna use the Cool Tone. Is this the cool one? Clinique All Over Concealer. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it in the hollows of my cheek to kind of darken that up just a bit. And that'll add a little depth, and it's a cool tone, so it adds a little bit of shadow. It didn't do much. It's really subtle, but it's there. It's on my skin. It kind of laid on top of the skin weird. Okay, we're just gonna use my powdered bronzer. So we gotta be careful because it's really gonna stick. Oh, I forgot about this. I have another e.l.f. blush stick. It's the e.l.f. multi-chrome stick. Oh, monochromatic, I'm sorry. It's more of like a highlighter blush. I'm just not in the mood for that right now. As I rub it on my face. I'm gonna use a powder brush to blend that in. Ooh, sun-kissed. Okay, now let's take my butter bronzer. Oh, we love her. She'll always be a fan favorite. I never understood this. Nobody ever uses it, so why do they even make it? I don't even know what this video's called. Okay, we're gonna set the blush down with, I guess again, another blush. This is the, it don't say anything, but this is the primer infused blush from e.l.f. So I guess you could use it like underneath your makeup or something. I'm gonna get some of that. And I'm going to set that blush. Oh yeah, beautiful. That'll take down some of that sheen. And really blend everything out. I mean, we're going for sun-kissed, baby. Sun-kissed. I want it to look like I have been out in the sun all day, but without the damage. Thanks and please and you're welcome. For the eyelids, we're not doing no eye makeup today. Here, I'm gonna take my old concealer brush, just since it's right here. There's probably liquid on it. I'm gonna do it right here. I want to use this new tattoo liner. Maybe I should wait for a actual makeup video. No, we'll go ahead. This is the shade Trooper Black. It's the KVD Beauty Vegan Beauty. This is cute. I think this is a travel size. I got it for free as a sample. Oh yeah, that's cute. This is the tattoo liner. I'm not gonna obviously do eyeliner, so let's draw a little heart. Oh wow. Okay, beach. I messed up the bottom of it a little bit, but it's okay. That's my little heart. It's so cute. Oh, look at that! Starting to get sweaty palms again. I've been having really bad sweaty palms since I've tried to quit smoking weed the last couple days. It's really bad. I get hot flashes, I have sweaty palms, I have super anxiety, I can't sleep. I can only eat when I am hungry. I'm gonna have to call the video. But wasn't this a cute, like, natural, fresh look? Oh gosh, I love natural makeup! I was gonna use some Laura Mercier powder and set my face a little bit to get rid of some of the shine, but you know, I don't think I'm going to. One spot and one spot only. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier powder. Ooh, I'm just gonna take a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is just go right here. Boom. Boom. And also what I like to do is take it on the side of the nose because I have a large nose and when I turn and I have too much shine, it's like, boom, you're blind. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well guys, that was my late night, Saturday night off, natural, beautiful makeup routine. If I were to get up and go to the nursery or something like that, this is what I would do. The blush is kind of cute. I might have to do that one day. Go in public with a bunch of blush on. Sorry for not posting. I just don't feel like filming lately. I'm just lazy all the way around. Oh! Okay guys. Subscribe to my channel, like the video if you want to support your dog. I know there's only like 32 of you that watch my videos, but it's okay. 5 people that watch my videos that actually watch them. This was really fun. We should do this again sometime. I had fun sitting on the floor talking to you, even though my back hurts. I guess I'm gonna go back to watching Sweet Tooth now on Netflix because it's a good show. I've cried a few times. Back from my heart. I'm really emotional right now. Really emotionally unbalanced. So, pray for me. And one more thing. Say cheese. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Why are we still talking? Why are we still here? Go home. Go away. Okay, guys. See you later. Love you. Bye.